On this week's episode of our home lighting series, we are going to discuss on how to create a cozy ambience for your living room that will suit to your everyday mood or activity. Hi, I'm Architect Jeje Madatu and welcome to Anything About Lights Home Lighting Series. The first key point in lighting up a room is to define the activities or tasks that will be undertaken on a certain space. While most of the other rooms in the house were designed to specific tasks like cooking, eating, bathing, and sleeping, the living room is generally the largest room in the house where a variety of activities take place day and night. So, make sure that your living room is properly and beautifully lit for family gathering, entertaining guests, relaxing, reading or watching TV or other movie, and in order to achieve that rich and flexible lighting design for your living room, let's explore the three main key layers of lights that will make your living room come to life. We have the task lighting, accent lighting, and the ambient lighting. Let's start off with the task lighting. Task lighting, these are the lights that are intense and carefully positioned and focused on a particular area in order for you to perform certain tasks without experiencing eye constraints, and it should be much brighter than the ambient lighting. You can use adjustable downlights that has narrow or medium beam throw and position it on the side of the sofa and on top or on the side of the table and direct it towards those furnitures so that you will have a more focused lights to read, entertain your guests, or to play games with your friends or with your kids. You can also use adjustable desk lamps or floor reading lamps for a more versatile option so that you can just swing these lights towards to the position on how you want to perform your task. Next layer is the accent lighting. Accent lighting is a very concentrated lights that adds drama to a room, creating a visual interest, and it should be 3 times brighter than the ambient lighting. As part of decorating scheme, it is used to spotlighting painting, sculptures, and other prized possessions, and it is also used to highlight architectural features or walls using wall washers or uplights. In highlighting an artwork, there should be a careful consideration of the distance of the spotlight from the artwork. It is recommended that the spotlight should be at least 0.5 meters away from the artwork in order to have enough space to direct the light towards the artwork to achieve the seamless lighting effect on the artwork. Accent lighting is also used to showcase shelf displays using linear LEDs. And then we have the ambient lighting. These are soft or diffuse lighting that sets the tone of the room. Ambient lighting provides the overall illumination along the circulation areas enough for the end users to walk around, and it is meant to create a general and uniform lighting level. This can be done in a variety of different ways. You can use ceiling-mounted or recessed downlights with a wide beam throw. You can use decorative lights using pendant lights, floor lamps, or table lamps, and these decorative lights not only will give you a soft ambient lighting, but it also adds character to the overall design of the room. And the other option by means of cove lighting, where light bounces off the ceiling and walls, providing a more diffused output. With these 3 key layers of light, you can play around with the switch grouping on how you want the ambience for certain mood or activity, and of course, with the help of a dimmer, you can certainly utilize the hierarchy of light levels that will make the ambience more appealing to your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you want to get more lighting tips on how to achieve that soothing ambience for your home, you can follow our social media accounts. Feel free to subscribe and click that notification bell to get real-time updates on the upcoming episodes of our home lighting series. I'll see you